Is it possible to make oatmeal interesting? Or at least more interesting than eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch for breakfast? Here's my first attempt. I added 4 ounces of water, 1/3 of a cup of whole milk, microwave for 2 minutes, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and a serving of cream cheese. Gave it a good mix, then microwaved it for a minute. Then I tried to add a pinch of vanilla, but let's just pretend that that didn't happen. Give it a good mix, then back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. Time for a taste test. It's creamy, it's rich, it has subtle cream cheese flavor, and honestly, I'd make this again. Stick around, attempt 2 is coming soon. This is my second attempt at trying to make oatmeal as exciting to eat as Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I've added 4 ounces of water, 1/3 of a cup of milk, 2 minutes in the microwave, and now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of brown sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, an even smaller pinch of nutmeg. This is about half a single serving box of raisin. Get it all out there. Give it a good mix. Back in the microwave for a minute, and I almost forgot the vanilla extract, this time just a drop. I think I'm gonna call this oatmeal raisin cookie oatmeal. Join me tomorrow for my third attempt because I'm having oatmeal and I'm determined to figure out a way to enjoy it as much as I enjoy eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Bye-bye. I think I've been going about making oatmeal as exciting as Cinnamon Toast Crunch all wrong. I mean, the wildest thing I've done so far is add raisins. That's not very exciting. So today, I'm going big. Carrot cake oatmeal with cream cheese frosting. We start with the usual cooked oatmeal base and water. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coffee creamer because I'm out of milk, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 serving of cream cheese, a pinch of vanilla, and 1 shredded carrot. Microwave it for another minute, and the result is interesting. But the real question, does it taste like carrot cake with cream cheese frosting? Sure, if you've never actually had carrot cake with cream cheese frosting before. In my quest to make eating oatmeal as exciting as Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I'm pushing the envelope today by recreating one of my favorite desserts. I'm calling this apple caramel oatmeal pie. I'm starting by sauteing a serving of butter with some sliced apples. I'm gonna let them brown for a bit, and then I'm gonna add a full serving of caramel sauce. Let that simmer for a few moments to really bring out the flavors. Now let's plate this with our perfectly cooked oatmeal and give it a taste test. Wow, honestly, I don't even miss eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch for breakfast right now. Join me tomorrow as I figure out another creative way to make oatmeal as exciting as Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My 5th attempt at making oatmeal as interesting as Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This morning, I'm going full-on dessert mode with the classic campfire treat, s'mores. The basics: graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. I really wanted to recreate that nostalgic campfire vibe. Okay, I may have gone a bit overboard with the burning. Let's add our graham crackers and give it a taste test. This literally tastes like s'mores. Maybe not a breakfast bowl, but definitely a late night dessert. If you've got any ideas for turning oatmeal into something as fun as Cinnamon Toast Crunch, drop them below. I'd love to try them.